Teaching English as a second language in Cambodia. Introduction. Do you enjoy travel and helping people? If so, then this video will provide information about internship opportunities for teaching English as a second language in Cambodia. Internships for teaching ESL are offered in several countries around the world. However, Cambodia is the country I will focus on today. Living in Cambodia is an adventure. There are many different things to see and do, and the people are friendly and welcoming. Living in Cambodia can be a fun and exciting experience, but it is also challenging. There are many different cultures and languages to learn, as well as customs and traditions that must be followed. The food is also unique and often spicy. Despite the challenges, living in Cambodia can be a rewarding experience if you are willing to embrace the culture and learn about the people here. Culture. Cambodian culture is rich and varied. There are many traditional dances and ceremonies, and the Khmer people are known for their hospitality. Cambodian cuisine is also unique and flavorful, with influences from Thai, Vietnamese, and Chinese cuisines. The country's art and architecture are heavily influenced by Buddhism, which is the dominant religion in Cambodia. People. The people of Cambodia are some of the friendliest in the world. They are always willing to help, and they are always happy to see you. Cambodians are known for their warm hospitality, and they will do everything they can to make you feel welcome. Whether you're just visiting for a day or you're planning to stay for a while, the people of Cambodia will make you feel at home. Weather. The weather in Cambodia is hot and humid most of the year. The rainy season lasts from May to October, but it is not as wet as in other countries in the region. The temperature highs are in the mid-30s Celsius and the humidity is high. Travelers should be prepared for very hot weather and bring plenty of water and sunscreen. Accommodation. Accommodation options vary in Cambodia, but there are plenty of choices for everyone. Cambodia is a Southeast Asian country that's home to stunning temples, beaches, and jungles. It's also a popular tourist destination, thanks to its affordability and wide range of accommodation options. Whether you're looking for a backpacker hostel or a luxurious resort, Cambodia has something to offer everyone. Internship program. The internship program for Cambodia includes a 120-hour accredited online TEFL course, accommodation assistance, 2-week orientation, visa assistance, 12-month teaching placement with pay, and ongoing and emergency support. The Guide to Teaching English in Cambodia gives you a real understanding of how exciting your new life will be in one of the most culture-rich countries in the world. The guide will cover areas such as placements and locations, orientation and training, who can apply, Cambodia facts, and answers to frequently asked questions. Conclusion. In conclusion, teaching in Cambodia is an incredibly rewarding experience. It is a unique opportunity to help students who are eager to learn and to be immersed in a fascinating and beautiful country. I highly recommend it to anyone considering teaching abroad and seeing the world.